First, search for OpenAI in Google or Bing. Open openai.com. You will see similar web page. Scroll down at the bottom and click on API login. It will ask you to log in. Click on sign up for creating a new account. Enter your email address and a new password and click sign up. You'll receive an email to verify your email. Open up your email. Click on verify your email. Once your email is verified, fill out these details such as your full name, organization name. It's optional, but if you're a company, then you can enter organization name. And finally, enter your date of birth and click on agree. Click on API. All right, get started. This is a similar interface you will have. If you have any organization, then instead of personal, you'll see an organization. And here you'll see overview of that, such as how many projects you have, and under usage you'll see all your usage and activities along with pricing, how much you have consumed, and here you can create your API keys. For new account, you'll need to verify your phone number. Just enter your phone number, it will send an OTP to you. Send code and verify it. Okay. If your phone number is already registered, then you will not get free credits. Otherwise, you'll get $5 credit to use. Since my phone number is already registered, that is the reason. Here you can create a new API key or secret key. I'll go to my profile. This tells the details. You can enable MFA to protect your account. Next, you have organization details. Currently it is set as personal. You can change that as well. You can also invite other persons. Before that, you need an organization. You can add a payment method and recharge your wallet with credits. This tells what is the limit you have on your account. I am here on my account, different account, where I have uploaded some credits. This tells you limit, and these are all your project details. You can invite other members to your project. You can create a new project as well. So I'll create a new project, OpenAI Learning. Earlier, there was no project base, but now they have made it as project base, which is good. You can set a monthly budget on each project and even set alerts so that if it crosses that threshold, you'll get an email notification. You can also choose models which are allowed by this particular project. So I'll choose GPT-3.5 Turbo as allowed. You can also block certain models. This will be helpful if it is just for POC purpose and your developers cannot use this model than the allowed models. You can also set limits on each of the model. Okay. Let's create an API key for this particular project. I'll go to dashboard and come here under API key. There are two ways. Service account is bot member, which will be there forever, and you can create the API key as yourself, but if you leave the organization, this key will also be deleted. So I'll choose the name of the key as well as select the project. You can also give permissions as well, what permission you want to give to the API key. Once you have the API key created, just copy it, otherwise it will be gone from here. If it is not saved, then you'll need to create a new one. That's all.